This is Gautam, Assistant Professor, National College of Technology in the Department of Mechanical Engineer. So today we are going to see about the topic of TPS, Toyota Production System. So this Toyota Production System is nothing but to be produced in the Toyota manufacturing. The production system based on the philosophy of achieving the complete elimination of the waste in a working environment. So here, as I mentioned, all waste as per Toyota philosophy, they are mentioned some types of waste like motion waste, overproduction waste, and over processing waste, defects waste, uh, eliminating the waste, etc. So here, the Toyota manufacturer vehicle producing some way making that is sometimes preferred as a lean manufacturing system like JIT. JIT is nothing but just-in-time system and has been well known about the study worldwide. This production control was established based on the many years of continuous improvement with the objective of making the vehicles ordered by customers in the quickest way and most effective way. In order to deliver the vehicles as swiftly as possible in the Toyota production system. It was established by two concepts like a Jidoka, which can be loosely translated or automation with human touch. As in a problem occurs, the equipment stops immediately, preventing defects products being from produced. And second one is just in time. Uh, JIT, in which the process produce only what is needed for the next processing continuous flow. Based on this basic philosophies, Jidoka and JIT, TPS can effectively and quickly produce vehicles on sound quality at a one time that fully satisfy the customer requirements. So this is the main focus in TPS, Toyota Production System. That's why we have seen about the Toyota cars. The quality is too high because of the this product, this production system. Then only their cars and makings are too high and too valuable and too safety. That's why it's, Toyota production is plays a vital role. The TPS concept like Jitaka means that machine must come to the safe stop whenever an abnormality occurs. Achieving Judaka therefore requires building and improving system by hand until they are reliable and safe. First, human engineers meticulously build such a new line component by hand to the exacting standard. Then through incrementally Kaizen. Kaizen is nothing but continuous improvement. Eventually, the value added by the line's human operators disappears, meaning any operator can use the line to produce the same result. Only then, only then is the Jidoka mechanism incorporated to actual production line. Through the repetition of this process, machinery becomes similar and less expensive, while maintenance becomes a less time consuming and less costly. The work done by the work done by hand is the process, which may be a human error, which may be a human defects. But once we followed this improvement concept like JIT and Jidoka, there is no waste of time and there is no remarks on errors, etc. The producing quality of effectively through the complete elimination of waste, inconsistency and unresponsible requirements on the production line, which is also called as Japanese way like Muda Mura Muri. Muda is comes under for inconsistent, Mura is comes for unresponsible, Muri is convincible, eliminating the waste. When vehicle is order is received, the production instruction must be issued to the beginning of the vehicle production line as soon as possible. First point. Then the second one is the assembly line must be stocked with the requirement number of all necessary parts so that any kind of order vehicle can be assembled. Second point. Then followed by third point, the assembly line must be replace the parts used by returning the some name of parts of the part producing in the assembling process. Then followed by fourth part, the preceding process must be stocked with small number of types of parts and produce only the number of parts where whatever required or whatever needed for the particular process. Then root of TPS, which is based on the philosophy of completely comes under the eliminating process. So this is a package of TPS, but history of TPS, who created this, who is the father of this TPS, we have seen. First one is Sakuchi Toyoto, and second one is Kaichuri Toyoto. So these two gentlemen is both combined us to create this template. That's why their name is comes under the Toyota production system. Then followed by Echi Toyoto, then Taichi Agno from 1919 to 1930. So this is a small history of TPS and overall package of TPS. Thank you.